Christy with Columbus Fifth Wheels. We are in Bunker Hill, Indiana at RV Dynasty, checking out the 2024 392 MB River Ranch. This one has power theater with a 50-50 split sofa, nice large kitchen with soft close doors and drawers, kitchen sink accessories, a large pantry over here, plus the fridge is a 12 volt with an ice maker. We have a separate bedroom over here with a pull-out sofa and a flip-down bunk, or you can utilize this as a workspace. We have tons of storage in the hallway with corner storage, towel storage, shoe storage, you name it. A nice large bathroom with a 60-inch shower, and the bedroom features a king-size bed, closet space, and we've got washer-dryer hookup in here. This is Forest River patented 7-foot interior height throughout, not to mention the full basement storage down below.